Welcome to today's lesson. I'm Ping, and we're going to learn some essential Mandarin Chinese together. Let's get started.
Our first word is then afterwards. In Chinese, ránhòu. The pinyin is ránhòu. Let's say it together. Ránhòu.
Next, event incident. In Chinese, 事件. Pinyin, 事件. Can you repeat it? 事件. Next, connect, link. In Chinese, 连接. Pinyin, 连接. Can you repeat it? 连接. Next, subject, grammar. In Chinese, 主语. Pinyin, 主语. Can you repeat it? 主语. Next, verb phrase. In Chinese, 动词短语. Pinyin, 动词短语. Can you repeat it? 动词短语. And our last word is sentence. In Chinese, 句子. Pinyin, 句子. Excellent work. 句子.
Thanks for learning Chinese with me today. Practice makes perfect. See you in the next lesson.